Hi, my name is Ricardo Tesaro and I'm Director Field Service at Syntegon. Do you want quick support? By choosing a service agreement, you benefit from technical remote support. We're just a call or click away, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum productivity. Whether you're facing technical problems or need guidance, we have you covered. We will provide Syntegon resources, effectively bridging any gaps in expertise or capacity that you may encounter. And here is the best part. Our support is not confined by borders. With a global presence, we are ready to serve you anywhere, worldwide. You can rely on us to provide substantial coverage, knowing your business is in capable hands. Our goal is to ensure that you have the support you need when you need it, allowing your production line to operate smoothly and without interruption. To learn more about the service agreement in person, get in contact with us.